Hello, everybody. Welcome to the 405 number one stock chart of the day off of our trading desk. This is a trading desk that brought you Tidewater, FTI, Transocean, a number of energy stocks that have skyrocketed since I shared this with you over the last few weeks. So today, I'm going to share with you another piece of the energy puzzle that we're fitting into place in our energy portfolio that's really on the move. And quite frankly, we've earned the right to take more risk and broaden out our exposure to the energy space. So I'm going to share with you the number one energy chart on our desk today that we were buying, putting in our portfolios. As always, I call this a virtual hedge fund experience. That's what we do. Subscribers, ARMR insiders join me on the desk all day. Watch me trade. We talk, we share information. They trade on their own, sharing information. So we're like a hedge fund. And right now you're watching this, and I want you to think of yourself as a portfolio manager. So you're gathering information, and then based on your risk tolerance, what your goal is, and the type of portfolio you're building, you decide if it's right for you. Okay, so I'm sharing with you what I do personally, not investment advice for you, since I don't know you, obviously. Now, if you find this information valuable, consider subscribing. Certainly make sure you're part of our YouTube channel so you get updates about that. But also, you can always subscribe to ARMRinvesting.com, which is right down there, ARMRinvesting.com, ARMRinvesting.com. Check it out. And if you want to, we have a live stream we share with subscribers all day, and there's a 5-day free trial if you want to see if it's right for you, if it's the right fit. All right. Without further ado, let's jump into what is the number one stock chart on the desk. Let me walk you through a progression. Okay. Step one, a few weeks ago, I shared with you we were putting capital to work in Tidewater, right in this green box here. Could add to it right there. Stock has ripped higher. So where was it? In the 46 area, ran up into the 60s. Shared with you we were buying shares of FTI. That was all the way back here, trading somewhere in the 1450 area. Stocks run up to 18. I'll let you know when we were getting long rig, Transocean, in the 630 area, $6.30. Stock almost hit 9 recently. The same time I shared with you, hey, we're out there buying Diamond offshore, right in here in the 12.5 area. Stock, hit around 16.5 after those conversations with you. So what's the next piece to the puzzle for us? Well, we've been buying E&P stocks, and I shared with you some of those names on other videos, and it does the same type of thing. They're all starting to run. So today, what I submit to you is that next piece of the puzzle is the refining stocks. It's time for us to put capital to work in the refining names as money is flowing throughout the energy sector. And when you see a day like today where the NASDAQ 100 is down 2.3%, a huge reversal day, and you watch the energy stocks go up, you can see where the money's flowing. So today, the number one stock chart on the desk is Valero, VLO. This blue box is a highlight to let you know where the generative AI software we use has been telling us to do research, to do work. It's time to focus on Valero. So what we do on our desk, we have 3 different styles of management. We day trade the indexes, we swing trade, and we invest in equities, okay? And we use different research tools, one of which is generative AI, okay? And so when you see a blue box like this, the generative AI has been, based on its models, has been saying, hey, there's value here in Valero. It's been saying that for the last, since May. And what we look for as a way to execute is the green box. So the green box in here, this is where the ARMR algorithm, which is a probability algorithm for buy signals, telling us when to put capital to work. We got our first entry point here and a follow-on yesterday, and today is open. So that's why I come to you and I say the number one chart on the desk for us today is VLO, adding that piece to the puzzle. And here's a bonus for you. There's many different refining stocks you can look at. VLO tends to be the institutional favorite, something like a 39 or $40 billion market cap, I think. Something a tenth the size, so a much smaller market cap in the same space of refining, is HF Sinclair, or DINO, D-I-N-O. Same type of entry point, same break into the down 10, breakout above the 200-day moving average. So I hope you find this helpful. Today, the number one chart on the desk is VLO, another piece to the puzzle of our energy story that I've been sharing with you that's been making us a lot of money. Hopefully, if it fits your risk tolerance, has been working for you as well. Love to work with you guys on the desk. If you wish, we have a live trial. It's free. It's 5 days. You can join us and see if it's right for you. I wish you all a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great evening.